Hi everyone, lesson 2. Ready? Look this way. You're going to need to concentrate for 120 seconds. Apostrophes for possession. That means using an apostrophe to show belonging or ownership. So for instance, if we say Jack's book, then we're saying that the book belongs to Jack. There's one definite rule here, just one rule that if you always obey, it will mean that you will never ever make a mistake in using an apostrophe to show possession, ever. And the rule is this: the apostrophe always goes immediately after the owner. Always. The apostrophe always goes immediately after the owner or owners. So, look, if we're going to say that the book belongs to Jack, then we move along here until the end of the owner. So Jack is the owner, so we go there. That's where the owner finishes, just there. So that's where the apostrophe goes. It goes straight after the owner. The same would happen if the book belonged to the children. So we go, who owns the book? The children. Somewhere along here. There. That is where the word children ends. So it goes straight after children. If we want to say that the book belongs to the parent, if we were talking about one parent and one parent owned the book, then we'd think, okay, so who owns the book? The parent, ending in a T. So we go along until the parent finishes, and it would be just there. Just there is where our apostrophe would go, because the book belongs to the parent. If, however, we had two parents and the book belonged to both of them, then we'd say, okay, so who's the owner? Who are the owners? The parents are the owners. So it's going to go after parents. So we go along until the word parents finishes. As soon as the owner or owners finish, there, just there, that's where the owner finishes. So that's where the apostrophe goes. Okay, if we had James's book, okay, then we think, okay, so who owns the book? It's James, and the same thing happens. The apostrophe always goes immediately after the owner or owners, so it's James's book. There, that's where the apostrophe will go, straight after James. If you want to, you can even put a box like that round the owner. Don't do that in the test, but you can do it for the moment, just to make sure you think there's the owner, James is the owner, and that's where the apostrophe is going to go, straight after the owner, just here, like that. Okay? Now, do your 10 questions in 2 minutes that are on your desk. Ready? Go.